How to fix your Gmail not receiving email. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you need to understand is what are the common reasons. So there are a couple of common reasons. The first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and check your all folders. So go into promotions, social updates, spam, trash, and everything. You want to also check spam because most of the time this is where all the mails are hidden at. The other thing you want to do is check your filters and blocks. Maybe if you have enabled any filters, then it could have hidden the email. If that is not the case, you want to simply go ahead and check your storage space. If your email doesn't have storage, then new emails won't be there. You want to also check your internet connection. Try switching off your Wi-Fi and turning it back on if it makes sense. If nothing works, you might need to simply go ahead and contact the sender or simply contact support.google.com/mail. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.